Wait a minute. Who is that?
Who?
Is that for real? Is that my friend? Is that Ojukwu? Is it really you? Stop the car.
Adana!
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
You're welcome!
Wow, look at you!
You're welcome!
Oh no, it's so good to see you! It's such a long time! Come here! Hi! How have you been?
I've been fine, I'm okay, I'm doing well, as you can see.
Yeah! You still hunt?
Well, yes. I know it's my hobby, I can't leave it, you know. I miss you so much. I missed you.
Same, come here. Same.
I miss you.
What is the meaning of
It
this,
has been
Adana?
ages. You know him, that's my friend. You remember him?
My prince.
How's your father and everybody else?
They're fine, they're all fine. How's your flight?
Great.
Adana.
I'd like to have this. How much will it cost me to have it?
My princess, you can have it.
You're kidding?
Yeah, no, you can have it.
Oh my god.
I wish you knew you were coming back.
Take this thing and get out of here. Listen, pride and poverty dwell together, not light and darkness. Adana, you are royalty and you shouldn't be doing this.
You shouldn't embarrass me. Stop it. I'm
Adana.
sorry. My brother can leave.
Get into the car now, let's leave here.
Sorry. Did he hurt you?
Adana, you know what it means if I leave this place without you? Get into the car, let's leave.
Stop it. What's wrong with you?
If I see you anywhere close
Oh
to the
my
princess, you go in for it. Adana, get into the car, let's go. Open this car. Adana! Riff-raff like him.
Stop it.
Get it in. Welcome.
My goodness. I missed the tablet looks different.
Yes, that's what it should be. 10 good years, the Bodo Yibo. Is it it's not 10 days? Oh, Madam Marine, my princess has arrived. Hi. Oh God. Oh God. Hey, God of our land, thank you. Thank you for bringing down my daughter, my princess, home after 10 good years. Yeah. No, hey. No, man.
Let's continue this celebration.
Yes. Hey. Thank you. Get.
Now they are preparing for her return. Father will regret this.
Princess Oledo has not been happy of recent. I wonder what could be responsible for that.
I don't know. Her attitude changed the moment her father announced yesterday that the princess of Erubere Kingdom will be returning from the United Kingdom today.
I don't think that's the reason.
My dear, I don't know. Oledo used to be very cheerful until yesterday.
Are you trying to say that she's not happy about the return of the princess of Erubere Kingdom? Hey, sister.
Princess Adanna is back at last. Your father was so happy when I gave him the news about the princess arrival.
Yeah, he should be happy. Why would he be happy? You know, after all these years. He should be happy. You see, that was why I was waiting for you so I can get first-class information from you.
We can't wait to see her arrive here tomorrow.
Mom, you know, I wonder what she looks like after all these years.
Oledo, what is wrong with you? Since yesterday you just changed. What is the matter? Tell me.
The guards and the maidens are cleaning and dusting everywhere.
Yes. Princess Adanna is visiting for a banquet.
I see. Adanna is coming here for a banquet after returning from Europe.
Of course.
Anyways, I have nothing to say now.
Ikenga, didn't you tell your sister that Adanna is coming here for a banquet? But why is she not happy about Adanna's visiting?
Mom, actually we were discussing something very important, you know, a more important matter. So tell me, just tell me everything.
Oh, Ikenga, it's necessary I find out what is bothering your sister. She used to be a happy and humorous person. But her sudden change of attitude gives me a big concern. I don't know what has come over her.
Mom, you can do that later, okay? For now, let's discuss something more important. You know, Adanna has been out of the country for over 10 years.
Yes.
You know, I wonder what she will be looking like. I know, you know, before she left, you know, she used to be a very beautiful girl. And I know now she'll be, you know, like a real princess. Now she is. So how is she? So tell me.
She's very okay. Of course, I'm happy that she's coming here tomorrow. We all are happy, my son.
No, she needs to come here tomorrow.
Oh, yes. What do you want?
Someone is here to see the prince.
Tell the person I'm coming, okay?
Okay, my prince.
So, I was actually saying after 10 whole years.
The prince is coming.
Okay, thank you.
Mama, what are you doing here?
Is that your welcome, Kinga? Is that how to welcome your loved one?
You should inform me before coming to my house.
Kinga, and why are you talking to me in that manner? Have I been informing you before coming to your house?
Because the story has changed.
Ikenga, what story are you talking about?
The story between you and I. The whole thing has changed. Okay, I mean, this whole relationship thing, I mean, we don't need it anymore. Okay? It's a quit for us.
What? Is that a joke?
Oloma, it is not a joke.
Ikenga, what has come over you? And why have you decided to break my heart this afternoon? Why? What wrong have I done to you? Have I wronged you in any way?
Look, you've not wronged me, and it's not about breaking your heart, okay? The truth is that Adana is back. Adana is back, so we need to call this thing off. I mean, we can't continue with this whole relationship thing. We can't continue anymore.
Just like Adana.
Yeah.
King. Good afternoon, my queen.
Thank you. Ikenga.
Oh.
See me upstairs.
Okay, ma'am. You see, Oloma, you just have to leave, right? You just have to leave. This whole thing is not going to work. Please.
This whole thing is not going to work,
It's
right?
not going to work, yeah.
But this is not what you told me from the beginning. Ikenga, what have I done to you? Why are you doing this to me? Why?
Oloma, you just have to leave. You should leave before my father comes here to see you.
Ikenga, you know what? I am not going to take this from you. Oh, you are doing all this thing because of another woman from another kingdom? Huh? But let me tell you this. I would rather die than take this from you.
But I am not telling you to die. What I'm telling you is, I mean, the whole thing has changed. It's not going to work.
I know why you're doing all this thing to me. Because you know I love you so much.
This is not about love. This is about Adana. Adana is back. That's the truth.
I don't care.
Then you just have to leave before my father comes here. I don't want my father to come here and see you. So you just have to leave.
I don't want to know. I don't care if she's back or not. I don't care.
I'm not asking you to care. You just have to understand.
Ikenga, you are really hurting me. You're really hurting me, Ikenga. Is it a crime to love you? Is it?
What is that girl doing here?
Mom, I did not invite her. I mean, she just said she's looking for me, that she came looking for me. I did not invite her.
And what stopped you from sending her away the moment you saw it was her?
That was exactly what I was doing before you called or before you came in.
Ikenga,
Mom.
let today be the last time I will see that girl in this palace. Did you hear me? Now, go there and send her out. Go and dismiss her right away.
She's gone already.
You are lucky your father did not meet her.
I will never forgive my parents for this. I will never forgive my parents for this.
Oledo. Oledo, what is the problem? Talk to me. I am your mother. I'm fine. I know you too well. You are not fine. Tell me what the problem is. Just tell me I am your mother.
I'm fine.
Oledo, talk to your mother.
I said I'm fine.
You are not fine, Oledo. You are not fine.
I want to be left alone.
Oledo, are you ordering me out of your room? Is it me you are talking to? Well, I am ready to listen to you whenever you are in the right frame of mind to tell me what the problem is.
My daughter, go well. May our God lead you to that place extend my greetings to my very good friend, Igudenta. Hmm?
I will, Daddy.
Yes.
And my greetings to my good mother-in-law to be.
She'll hear, Mother.
Adana, please, let's get going.
Driver.
Yes, His Majesty.
Driver.
Yes, His Majesty.
Drive safely. Oh, Iluebo. She resembled me. She resembled me. Don't allow me to talk. It's my daughter. Afwada Afuna. I see. Yes. I don't want to.
Oh, it's so good to see you.
The prince himself.
Prince Ugona.
Prince Ikenga.
Wow,
It's such a long time.
Adana's return has brought us together again.
All right.
That's good. Let's take it inside. Take it inside.
Hey! She's here at last. I hate her so much. May God curse the day she was born. She's the curse of my agony. I can never get away with it. Just take a look at me. Take a good look at me. Princess Oled of all people. Hey.
So how are you feeling?
Yeah, very well. In fact, they send their regards as usual.
Oh, that's good. That's good. And you know, my parents just can't wait to see you. Let's go. Let's go inside.
Wow, we can't wait to see them too.
Come on. Let's go. Thank you.
Thank you, my man. The prince of Umagu.
Yeah.
Thank you, my queen. Thank you.
Adana, I want to sincerely say I am happy you are back home. After so many years abroad. You're welcome.
Thank you so much, Your Highness. I am very grateful to you and your entire family for everything. I do not even know how to begin to express my gratitude, to be sincere. I am deeply overwhelmed. Thank you again, my queen.
My king, thank you.
You're welcome.
I don't know why this should come from you. Because you are more like a daughter to me.
Yeah.
In fact, as a matter of fact, whatever I have done for you, I have also done for myself.
Of course.
And this entire family.
Your Highness, you're such a kind-hearted man.
Thank you very much, dear.
Gratitude is the least we can do. I mean, I honestly lack the right words. Sorry, my prince. I honestly lack the right words to convey the gratitude of the entire royal family and the entire people of the Eruberi Kingdom to you, Your Majesty, for your kindness. It's overwhelming in our eyes, and we say thank you.
You can say that again, my
Thank
boy.
you, Your Highness.
You can just say that again. Because all of you are like my children.
Yeah.
My relationship with your father and I started from childhood. In fact, we were like brothers. At a time, our parents began to wonder the kind of children we were. Because the relationship was too tight, too close. We were both standing for one another. We were standing for one another and fighting for one another, for the interest of both of us.
So wonderful.
Yes, we were like brothers. And that is why this relationship went on and on. And our kingdoms were like one.
You know, there is nothing like a peaceful coexistence.
You are right.
Yes.
You are very right. And that is why both families have decided to seal the bond of marriage between both of you. And in fact, don't worry, any moment I know the marriage arrangement will be carried out since she is back. Yes.
And I will have a special gift for the both of you on that day. Thank you, Your Highness.
Thank you.
Thank you, my queen.
Thank you, Mom.
Thank you.
Excuse me, where is Olado? She has not been here. I have not seen her. I have not set my eyes on her. Where has she been?
I sent the maid to call her earlier,
So,
but I do not know why she's not here yet.
mm-hmm.
Chika,
Yes, my queen.
please go to my daughter's room. Tell her her father wants to see her immediately.
Yes, please.
Okay, my queen.
You got good name. You see, I noticed something about Olado of recent. She has not been herself. Have you asked her?
Yes, I did, but she refused to talk. She didn't tell me anything.
Okay. Okay. We will talk about that later.
Of course.
Gentlemen, you can eat.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Everybody eat, enjoy yourselves, okay? Eat up, eat up.
Your
eat
Highness,
up,
this
enjoy
wine
yourselves.
is really vintage.
Really?
And I just took the
That's
last one.
My princess! My princess! The king needs your presence. My princess! Please open the door. I wonder if she's in there. She's not even answering. My princess! Your father wants to see you.
problem?
She's not opening the door. My queen, I doubt if she's in her bedroom.
Have you tried to check if she's somewhere else in the house?
No, my queen.
Now go outside and check on her.
Yes, my queen.
What is wrong with Oledo? What has come over her all of a sudden? All of a sudden she just changed. Oh God.
Ojuku, you like because
Papa?
Oh?
I thought you went to the palace.
I'm coming from the palace.
I was wondering why you came back so quickly.
I was told the Igwe was having a rest, so I decided to come back.
Papa, how is the princess? I mean, how is my princess?
I didn't even stay as well. They told me she went to Muago to go na the border. Though I will be doing, I'll go back in the evening.
All right.
Maybe I might see her.
All right, Papa.
Well.
She went to Umago with Tukuna. I know she must have gone there to see that useless Prince Ikenga.
So tell me, how was life in Europe?
Yeah, life out there was very beautiful. I mean, it was beautiful. As expected, it's the Western world. But that's not to say that it's anything compared to Africa. I mean, Africa remains the best. Our culture and our values that I hold so dear is nothing compared to what you see over there. Yeah.
I'm surprised you're saying this, you know.
Really?
To me, Europe is life. Europe is everything.
Really? Yeah. I'm surprised you would say that, but that's your opinion anyways. Yeah. For me, home is the best. And by home, I mean Africa. At least that's what I tell my friends over there.
Everyone's... you have your own opinion, I have mine.
That's right. That's right. Whatever you say, yeah. But on the real though, I am worried about your sister, Oledo. What's really going on with her?
Well, I truly don't know, but I mean, Ola, she doesn't want to talk to anybody.
Why?
I don't know, and talking to her will be just a waste of time. So...
Well, that's really surprising because the old lady that I know will be very excited to see me now that I'm back. So I find it very weird.
So, you were in Europe for 10 whole years. Mm-hmm. Tell me what was going on there. Just...
mother. What is your problem? Tell me what the problem is.
I am fine.
You are fine? I will not take that as an answer. Because that is exactly what you always tell me each time I ask you what your problem is. Now tell me your problem.
Mother, what is your problem?
Huh? I said I am fine! Why do you always like to put words into my mouth?
Just leave, I don't want disturbance.
Oledo, is it me you are talking to with such arrogance?
Oh my God.
Well, since you don't want to tell anybody what your problem is, I don't care. And I think I should let you be. I have to let you be from this minute.
Your Highness, we are very happy over Princess Adana's return.
Yes. In fact, I am grateful to the gods of our land who brought her home safely. Adohuizio, it's not easy at all.
Not only that, our daughter is now a medical doctor, trained by the white men themselves. Hey, it is marvelous indeed. If awful,
in fact, I owe a lot to my good friend Igudenta. He's a friend like no other.
A friend in need. It is said he's a friend indeed. Igwe Udenta is not a friend to you alone.
I know.
He is a friend to the entire Eruberu kingdom. May the gods continue to bless him, his family, and the entire Umago kingdom.
Amen.
Your Highness, I'm in support of what Onowu said a while ago before he left here. The return of the princess calls for celebration.
This is true.
Looking forward to that.
Greetings, Your Highness.
Ojukwu, how are you?
I'm very fine. My elder, I greet you.
You are welcome, Ojukwu.
Your Highness, I actually came to welcome our princess, but I was told she's not at home.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Highness. I have to take my leave now.
May the gods of our land guide you.
He say, thank you, Your Highness.
Your Highness, I'm always happy each time I see this industrious young man. Onowu is highly favored to have him as a son.
Yes, Ojukwu takes after his father. Okay. Onowu was such an industrious young man when we were young. I have heard what you said, and I will look into it.
Okay.
You know, the safe arrival of my daughter from Obodo Igbo home to this kingdom calls for a big celebration. And you know how my things go.
I know, Your Highness.
Ola, why did you decide to lock yourself indoors throughout today? Answer my question.
Nothing, Father.
Nothing? What do you mean by nothing? Will you answer my question?
Oledo, why did you suddenly become so stubborn that you cannot answer your father's question? Huh?
Oledo, will you answer my question?
I truly don't know what the problem is. But you see, whatever it is, I mean, keeping quiet is not going to be your solution. It's not going to solve anything.
For the last time, answer my question.
I'm sorry, Father. I'm not in the mood to talk about this.
Oledo! Oledo!
Hola. The earlier you answer my question, the better for you and I. Answer my question, Oledo.
Now, Oledo, calm down. Calm down, my daughter. Tell us, who must have wronged you in this house? Is it your father, your brother here, or myself? Tell me. Tell us. We are here together now. Talk to us.
Mother, I said that I'm not in the mood to talk about this.
Will you shut your mouth up? Oh, you don't want to talk to anyone in this house again? I wish you good luck.
Thank you.
My princess, I am honored to have you in our house.
Well, I'm happy to be here. I was told you visited the palace yesterday.
Yes, and I was told you went to Marble Kingdom.
Mm-hmm. That is correct. I visited the king and his household.
Of course, I knew it wasn't the king you went to see, but the prince. Oh, please, I was only joking.
Uh-huh.
Please.
Anyway, I came to personally thank you for the gifts you brought my way yesterday. Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm glad you like them.
I love them. I really do. They're beautiful. Especially the bangle.
Thank you. Thank you.
I was equally told that it is you who brings palm wine to the palace.
Yes, you're correct.
I want some. What?
My princess, you want some palm wine?
Mm-hmm. I tasted the ones you brought to the palace yesterday and I loved it. Now I want more. Can I have more, please?
All right. It will be my pleasure.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, but please, we have to do it tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
So I can get you fresh palm wine straight from the tapas table.
All right then. I can't wait. How much will it cost? I'll give you money. I'll get some money.
Oh, please, don't bother, okay? I will get you the palm wine like I promised.
Really?
Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome, my princess.
So, how is your father? Is he around?
No, he's not around, but he's fine. He's doing very, very fine.
Okay. Well, extend my regards to him when he comes back.
All right, I will, my princess.
I'll take my leave now.
Thank you for coming.
Good day, mother.
Good day, my daughter.
So have you come to give answers to my questions?
Yes, father.
You can go on now. I'm all ears.
I'm angry, father.
Is that all?
Over what?
My right was given to a stranger.
That your right was given to a stranger? Now tell me, what right are you talking about? And who is the stranger?
The right I'm talking about is the scholarship award secured for me 10 years ago. And the stranger is Princess Adanna. Father, you treated me as if I'm not your daughter.
Olaide, is that an accusation?
Yes, father. How could you have valued another man's daughter more than your own daughter? How could you have done that, father?
Oledo, you are raising your voice at your father. Have you gone insane? Huh?
That's all right. Daughter, I sent Adanna abroad because I want her to be the queen of my son, the prince, your brother.
Yes.
And that automatically makes her a member of this family. Can you see, my Rosette? Can you see the reason she is not a stranger?
She is a stranger. I'm not surprised. You love and adore Adana more than your own daughter. Oh, come on. This is totally absurd.
Oh, will you shut up before I give you a dirty slap?
Go ahead.
What has come over you?
I said go ahead and slap me, mother. Oledo, I already knew that I'm not your daughter. So go ahead and slap me. Slap me, mother, slap me. Are you talking to me in that manner, Oledo? Why do I not talk to you? Who are you? Excuse me. In this house again.
What does she do?
I don't know. She has refused to open the door.
Ola! You see? Mom, what did you say happened?
I don't know. I don't really get it. I don't know what has come over Oledo.
Ola! 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 So then tell me, why did you prefer this place to the good place I wanted to take you to?
I like it here. It's all right.
So.
Good afternoon, my princess. Good afternoon, sir.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Thank you very much. So, what do you care for?
It depends. What do you have?
We have egusi soup, ogbono soup, jollof rice and stew.
Okay. I'd like to have egusi soup.
Okay, my princess. What about you, sir?
No, you have jollof rice, right?
Yes, sir.
Jollof rice.
Okay, sir. Meat or fish, sir?
Fish.
We don't have fish. We only have goat meat and cow meat, sir.
Goat meat is fine.
Okay, ma'am.
I want my egusi soup with apple. Do you have apple?
Yes, ma'am.
Then please get me that. So, have you found out what's wrong with your sister?
No, she has not said anything to us. In fact, I'm sick and tired of her attitude.
Don't say that. She's your sister.
I know.
Maybe I should come and talk to her myself.
No, there won't be need for that. You don't need to.
Really? Yeah. Well, she's your sister, so you do what you have to do. Oh no, take this back. I will eat with my hands. So please get me water to wash my hands.
I don't know, what are you doing?
I'll speak with my hands. Thank you. You know, food like this is better enjoyed with bare hands.
I don't know, you're a princess. You shouldn't be doing this, yes?
Well, besides, meals like this are better enjoyed with your hands. Try it.
delicious.
Boy, you shouldn't be doing this here, trust me.
You're right. This is really nice. You should try it. Well, at least eat your rice.
What do we have here? I'm just telling her about you. I didn't even know you were here.
Oh.
When'd you get here?
I came in a few minutes ago.
Right.
I actually came to see your father regarding the tax he gave me. It's empty.
Yeah, I can see that, but I want more. I want palm wine.
You want palm wine?
Yes, mine is finished, so I want you to get more for me.
My princess, I already brought some for you yesterday.
Yeah, and it's finished. Please get me more. I really love palm wine. I heard that it nourishes the body. Ain't that right?
Yes, you're correct. It does. All right, my princess. Tomorrow, I will get you some. All right?
All right then. I'm looking forward to receiving my palm wine.
No problem, my princess.
And I'm paying for it this time. Don't say no. Don't do that. Please get some money for him.
Just 1,000 naira, princess.
All right, he'll get you some money. You're welcome. How you been?
I've been off and on, climbing, walking. Just have to be busy.
Yeah. Yeah. Here you go.
My princess.
Yeah.
I said 1,000 naira.
Okay. You can use the rest of the money for your transport fare.
My princess, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Bye.
Oh. No.
Yes, Mom.
I didn't know you were here.
Well.
I was knocking at your door.
Oh, you were?
Yeah.
I'm right here. I'm watching this.
It's okay. So, how are you doing?
I'm fine, Mom.
Good.
Great.
Good.
I let Father visited the Mother Kingdom today.
Yeah. He went to see Kenga's father.
Yeah, how did he go?
Well, he went to discuss about your traditional marriage.
Sorry, what? What did you say? My traditional... Why wasn't I told? I mean, shouldn't I have been told even way before my father embarked on that journey?
Why are you sounding like this? Must you be told before he embarked on the visit?
Yeah.
Well, I think your major concern should be the outcome of their meeting. Well, yes.
Mother, I am bothered, all right? There seems to be an issue with the Kenga family, and it's not yet resolved. Until then, I'm unsettled about this whole thing.
What issue are you talking about?
It's Oledo, his sister. She has been behaving strangely since I returned. And judging from what Ikenga said, her withdrawal has to do with my return indeed.
I can't get you. What are you trying to say?
I have a hunch that Oledo just might be unhappy with my engagement to her brother.
Oh, that is not true. Because I never heard him mention anything like that.
You don't think they discuss everything, do you?
See, your father and the Kenga's father have been close friends for a very long time now. So I don't think he will hide such thing from him. Well, it might interest you to know that a date for your traditional marriage has been fixed. Is anything the matter?
No, nothing is the matter.
Ikenga, good afternoon.
Loba, what is it? Why are you trailing me?
Ikenga, I am here to beg you not to break my heart. Please, don't do this to me.
Loba, I told you even while we were in school. I told you I have a serious relationship with Adana. We're going to get married immediately she comes back from her studies abroad. So I don't know what you're talking about. Please.
Ikenga, hold on. But you know very well that we have gone deep with each other. And you cannot leave me now. Not now, please.
My cats are here. My God is here. And the others are watching also. Please, don't embarrass me, alright?
Ikenga, please. Ikenga, please. Stop our worship, please.
You're embarrassing me. Yeah, you're embarrassing me.
No. Please. Ikenga, please.
Why can't you just understand? Just admit it. It is over between us. Listen, Loba, listen to me. It is over between us. It is over. I can't. Adana is going to come back, okay? And our marriage is going to hold. In fact, we have already fixed a date for our traditional marriage. So there's nothing I can do anymore. Don't you get it?
Please.
Please, what?
Please. Ikenga, please, I love you. Please, Ikenga.
You're embarrassing me.
I don't fear. Let them watch.
Let them watch what?
Please, Ikenga. I don't mind anything for you, please. I don't mind anything for you, Ikenga.
Princess, here is the place.
Okay. You two wait outside. Okay. Yeah. Let's sit. What? What's the matter?
My princess, this place is not meant for someone like you. Look, your father will have me hanged if he ever hears I brought you here.
Is that why you're making a face?
Yes.
Really?
My princess.
How are you?
I'm good.
You work here?
Yes.
What's your name?
Amara.
It's nice to meet you, Amara. Give us a minute and we'll make our orders.
Okay, ma.
Listen. You're scared of my daddy.
Princess, I just hope you know what you're doing.
Listen, OJ, nothing has changed about me. I am still the same old Adana you knew years back. Except that now I am an adult and I have my life to live. So would you lighten up?
Princess.
Let's make our order now, shall we?
Okay.
So what's the best dish over here? You tell me.
All
right, we're ready to...
What is the princess doing inside there? What is she doing inside there?
I don't know.
You don't know. Let it not be that she went inside there to eat, because the Majesty will be very angry with both of her if he hears this. What is she doing inside there?
Yes, you're right, but there's nothing we can do about it.
Jane, don't say this.
She is the princess.
Don't say this.
We can't stop her. Can we stop her?
No problem. Both of her will suffer it.
We are just servants here.
Jane. Okay. She's eating.
Why is it so hard for Oloma to understand me and go her way? I have tried all I could to convince her, but she didn't want to listen to me. I did not know she can be this stubborn. Well, I think I know what to do.
My brother, the Prince of Umagu Kingdom. I'm surprised you are not bothered about your only sister's current state of mind.
Ola, what have I not done? What have I not said to you to forget about the past and face the future? And do you think this? Do you think getting yourself so drunk to stupor will make you forget about the past?
You just sounded like a preacher man on the pulpit. As if you really care about me. I know that all of you are happy about my current state of mind. Because you all are responsible for it.
Now let me talk to you, my dear, beloved sister. I care about you. I love you so much, my dear sister. But whatever that is happening, you, Olaido, brought it upon yourself.
Is that what you said? Is that what you said? Love and care kill you there. You turned me into a drug. You turned me into a drug. God will punish all of you. In fact, God will punish you in this house. I will deal with all of you. Don't talk to me. Calm down for what? Don't you dare call my name again. Don't you dare. I will deal with you in this house.
This won't help you.
I won't.
You just have to calm down.
Ikenga,
what is the problem?
You are the problem. All of you are the problem in this house. You see, you wicked mother. God will punish all of you. I will deal with all of you in this house. Oledo, will you stop this? I will not! I won't! Mother, leave me alone, you wicked mother. Leave me alone! Just leave me! Leave me alone! Leave me! All of you should get out! Oledo! Leave me! Leave me! Oledo! Leave me alone! Oledo! I said you should leave me!
This life is a mystery, it's beyond comprehension. When man proposed, God disposed. Destiny can be delayed, but can never be denied. No one knows what tomorrow holds.
I greet you.
You are welcome.
Thank you.
Madam.
I have come to see your son, Ojugo. Is he around?
He's inside. Let me tell him that you are around. No.
This life is a mystery, it's beyond comprehension. When man proposed, God disposed.
I've come for you to take me to the place where we went to the other day. You know, the food place.
My princess, you can't go there again.
Why?
Your father will skin me alive if he finds out.
Oh, please, forget about my father, all right? I'm a lover of native food. I love their food so much. I couldn't help but, you know, and they don't make native food in the palace. They don't, right?
My princess, then you shouldn't go by yourself.
Why?
Send me. Yes, send me. I can go get you the food.
Okay. Okay. You know what? Just never mind.
Princess.
Yes.
I'm sorry. I'll go with you.
This life is a mystery, it's beyond comprehension. When man proposed, God disposed. Destiny can be delayed, but can never be denied. No one knows what tomorrow holds. Oh, Bonemi Echigabo.
Onowu of Iribiri Kingdom, I greet you.
You are welcome. To what do I owe this August visit?
Onowu, I am here to see you and your son.
It's unfortunate my son is not around. I hope all is well.
All is well. But I want you to warn him. I want you to warn your son Ojukwu. Warn him. Onowu, your son Ojukwu is having a secret affair with Princess Adanna.
My son?
Yes, your son Ojukwu. So I've come to warn you, to warn him, for him to stay clear from my wife. Because the next time I will visit you people, I am going to visit you people in a different color. So warn him.
My son Ojukwu having an affair with the princess. Oh, you're Mokuyo. Yeah?
Since you came back.
Because you have been avoiding me, my friend.
Congratulations to you.
Thank you. So, how are you? Have you been?
I'm cool. I'm all right.
Why have you been avoiding me?
Was I? I don't think so.
Really?
Yeah.
Really? You.
Hey, no.
What is it?
Well, if you are here to see my brother, it might interest you to know that he's not in.
Oh, shame. At least I can wait for him.
No. No.
What now, Ola? Something wrong? You don't want me to go inside?
No, I'm not. But I think it might interest you to